To use Apple Pay for contactless payments, start by ensuring your device is compatible with the service. Apple Pay works on iPhone, Apple Watch, iPad, and Mac, as long as the device has the latest operating system installed. First, add your credit or debit card to Apple Pay through the Wallet app on your device. You can do this by opening the Wallet app, tapping the plus sign, and following the prompts to add your card information. You may be asked to verify your card with your bank, which can usually be done through their website or mobile app. Once your card is added, you can use Apple Pay to make contactless payments. To do this, hold your device near the contactless payment terminal and authenticate the transaction with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. On Apple Watch, double-click the side button to activate Apple Pay. When using Apple Pay, it is essential to keep your device and card information secure. Make sure to use a passcode or biometric authentication to lock your device. And never share your card information with anyone. If your device is lost or stolen, use the Find My iPhone feature to suspend or remove your cards from Apple Pay. Best practices for using Apple Pay include keeping your device's operating system up to date, monitoring your account activity regularly, and reporting any suspicious transactions to your bank immediately. You should also be cautious when using public Wi-Fi or unsecured networks to add or manage your cards in Apple Pay. In addition to these best practices, it is also a good idea to understand the transaction limits for Apple Pay. While there is no limit on the number of transactions you can make, some merchants may have limits on the amount you can spend in a single transaction. Overall, Apple Pay provides a convenient and secure way to make contactless payments. By following these best practices and taking steps to keep your device and card information secure, you can use Apple Pay with confidence.